They say no one can live your life for you. You gotta live your own life. So I live my life one day at a time. St. Louis, 10-6, B Down, Jay-Z, Big Joe, DOC. Life's so amazing.
You were always there for me and I'm forever grateful. Not once when we argued I thought to say I hate you. I feel that being angry at each other took more energy. That's why I stayed happy and never made you my enemy. And everything I accomplished, you know I did it for you. It was never enough, so I continued to do more. You just don't understand how passionate I am about making you the center of my world, no doubt. I never thought that I would be in this position where I make music and you actually listen. I thank God for giving me the talent, and it's safe to say I'm doing right by making things happen. It feels good to put a smile on your face, and never in a million years will I think of changing. My personality, you say, is full of inspiration. I guess living for you is what makes life amazing.
Life is so amazing. Ways of life is changing. The life I'm dedicated that keeps me motivated. Life is so amazing. Hard times never faze me. My times are getting crazy. Still life is so amazing.
I'm so amazed how the life we live go, and so amazed this life we call home, and how our kids live life to all grow. But that's just the way life goes, you know. I keep my eyes on the cash, live life fast, keep my hands on the stash. All the hating people do ain't nothing but trash. I keep it moving cause they all in my past. You gotta live your life cause it's too short. Aim for the long shot, no backboard. Never did understand what was life for. Now we living this life with two doors, choosing right or wrong. Everybody gotta choose to know what's really going on. And we still pour liquor for the dead and gone. Follow me to this life while we singing the song, yeah.
Life is so amazing. Ways of life is changing. The life I'm dedicated that keeps me motivated. Life is so amazing. Hard times never faze me.
It's real talk, yo.
Still life is so amazing.
Back in 420, 1983, that's when the man upstairs delivered breath in me. Now I'm all grown now, I'm still on the grind. I gotta shine, but I gotta make it through these tough times. But the best part about it is that I'm still living. Thank the Son of Man for his grace of forgiving. I'm never taking lightly, mercy on my soul, cause there's some things in life you can't control. That's why I'm never giving up. There's so many options, I gotta have faith today and take action. Quit making maneuvers, I gotta make moves. Plant a quote in my heart, I will not lose. I say a prayer for my family, especially for my moms. I'm gonna make her proud, but until that day comes, you only live once, make it right, cause the best thing in life is life. Sing along, y'all.
Life is so amazing. Ways of life is changing. The life I'm dedicated that keeps me motivated. Life is so amazing. Hard times never faze me. My times are getting crazy. Still life is so amazing.
Live your life to the fullest. It is what it is, no matter how you try. There'll always be a bad vibe.
See, I live every day of my life counting blessings. Chill for a minute and start reminiscing. Everything around me seems so surprising.
See, you don't know what you have until it all goes missing.
You only get to live it once, so you better live it right. Happy days only comes when you feel alright. Don't waste it on making yourself enemies. Spend it right, live your life right, live a missing link.
Life is so amazing. Ways of life is changing. The life I'm dedicated that keeps me motivated. Life is so amazing. Hard times never faze me. When times are getting crazy, still life is so amazing.